My name is Scott Drew. I work at Edge Automation. I've been working on similar machines for probably 8 years. This is the first one that I did full automation from front to back. There's no operator, forklift in parts and forklift out parts.
My name is Daniel Pomnico and I work at Edge Automation. The tooling is very unique. Usually in this type of application you would need a vision system to adjust for the tubes, but there's a mechanical solution done in this one where the tool will actually form and comply around the tubes as it picks and then lock rigid again as it departs.
It goes in as a round tube and comes out with holes, and one of them is actually Swage. It's for an instrument panel beam.
This is for automotive. They go in behind the dash in vehicles for all the wires to go through.
Being around for 30 years, I'm more mechanical side, and I try to get everything mechanical before cameras. The biggest benefit is that it's a fully non-operated machine. It's just forklifts. In theory, it would never have to stop. As long as the forklift driver has a bid in there, it'll keep going.
One of the most difficult and challenging things about this job is just that it's never been done before. You have to figure it out, and whether that is just through finding 100 ways how not to do it, it's always a challenge to do something for the first time, and so that's one of the hardest things to do.
I came to Edge to actually be more involved with everybody. It's a closer knit group that we have here than being a number.